Hey, what's up? This is Fred. Getting ready to go to my workout. But before I did, I want to come and bring you this quick video just to let you know. For all of you guys out there who have been getting duped by the credit repair companies out there, they're not really doing their job of what they say they're going to do, the false promises they make. You wouldn't believe how many times I'm out and about and I see signs, or I'm on social media and I see things come up across my timeline. And I see all these people promising sweeps and things of this nature. And just to give you a heads up, if you ever see a sweep, you don't want to deal with that person. Basically, what they're going to do is they're going to file a fake affidavit stating that you are a victim of identity theft. One, this can get you in trouble, a lot of trouble. Jail time type of trouble. So you want to make sure you stay away from that. If anybody's asking for money up front, that's something that you also want to take a look at. These are the types of things where companies will come in and they'll say, hey, give me $1,500, we'll wipe your file clean. This is not a company that's reputable. It's not a company that you want to do business with. So I'm here to make this video just to give you guys a heads up of what's out there, the things that I've seen, things that I've noticed. People come to me because they've been a victim of this type of work that goes on out here. And a lot of times, we get a bad reputation for credit repair. So I wanted to take a moment right now to let you know that credit repair is not getting things deleted off your credit report. That's not what credit repair is. What credit repair is finding inaccuracies on the credit report and calling the bureaus out on that information. But it goes a step further than that. Now, a lot of times you'll deal with companies and they'll write these letters for you, companies like Lexington Law or FES. They just changed their name to, I can't even think of letters they changed their name to. But they continually change their name because they're doing things and they have to keep running and running and running. Now, speaking of a name change, I have went ahead and transitioned from Approve My Score, and I have transitioned to my own brand. The Fred Levi brand, and I think it's going to be a lot better for you guys to deal with this brand. Although I don't knock Approve My Score or what it is that we've brought to the industry over the past 20 years. I stand behind Approve My Score. I'm the founder of that company. I still run the company, but right now what I'm doing is I'm transitioning because I wanted to deal with a higher level of people who wanted to get going in a more expeditious manner. Okay, so what does that mean? Bear with me. So what does that mean? Why did I make this change? Why I'm going to have two companies open? Well, first thing is going to be price. When you're dealing with a Fred Levi brand, the services are going to be a lot higher. Okay, it's going to be the upper echelons of clientele. And I'm doing this for a specific reason. I can make my recommendations to people and they may run with it. Some people do, most people don't. And that's the thing that really kills me, because I can do everything as far as what I have to do, but I also have to educate you. I got to let you guys know this is how you get your score raised. If you don't have any revolving credit cards, I'm going to recommend that you have at least 3. Why I'm going to do that? Why is it 3? There's a credit mix, right? So I'm going to recommend 3 revolving accounts and 1 installment. What is an installment? Installment could be your car loan, a student loan, a personal loan. Those are installment loans. A mortgage is a mortgage loan. It's different. But they have a thing called credit mix, and we want to make sure that we build up your credit profile to have you standing on a stronger foundation. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do. If you don't have that, then that's what we're going to focus on getting started with first, before you even start services, because we want to show you by education and having you implement this stuff what's going to happen if you do it. Or if you don't do it. If you don't do it, then we're going to send you to Approve My Score. Approve My Score can handle your file. We're still going to make the same type of recommendations. But with my personal brand, what I wanted to do is I wanted to focus on the problem that I'm seeing. You know, I've helped thousands of people with their credit. And the one problem that I continually see day after day after day is people don't have their budget in order. So that's what I wanted to focus on. I really want to focus on budgeting, financing. I want you guys to get to understand the importance of getting your budget in order. Because if you're spending more than you're making, more than you're bringing in, you know, it's just going to be a downward spiral. Sooner or later, you're going to have to file for bankruptcy. You're going to get sued. Things like this will happen eventually. So if we can tackle it up front and just face the beast head on, is going to be your best bet. Okay. So the brand, the Fred Levi brand, is going to be specifically for those who really want to get to work. This is where we're going to dive deep into your finances, so that way we can address the issues that we see. A lot of times people don't know exactly what they're spending until they actually write it down and they see exactly what they're spending. I mean, I want you to keep receipts for everything. You know, if you go to the liquor store, you buy a pack of gum and a candy bar, get the receipt. Keep that receipt. You write things down, because we want to know the exact amount that you're spending each month. Okay. If you got a $20 bill, if you give them, you know, you give them 20 and they give you, you know, $16.50 back. I don't know what the price is going to be, but at least you have that documentation with the receipt, so that way we can keep track and we can see where the extra monies are going. Okay. Because if you're in the red every month, if you're spending more than you're bringing in, then that's a problem, and that's a problem that we want to address. Okay. So I just wanted to bring this quick video to you guys to kind of let you know the difference of what it is that we're moving into. If you go with the personal branding, you will work with me directly. You will schedule an appointment with me every single month, where we're going to discuss our findings, discuss everything as far as your financing, what we found out. So that way we can get ahead of everything. We can go ahead and address everything. If you just strictly want to go with the credit repair, we're going to have you processed and working with Approve My Score. Now, working with Approve My Score, I'm going to be taking more of a hands-off approach with them. And, you know, there's processors there that will process your file. However, you won't have me there as much. You know, I still will help with the day-to-day operations, but as we build the personal brand, that's where my focus is going to be. Right now, you know, it just got started. We just launched on October 1st, so it's just a few days ago. So we're not anywhere where I have to take a step back from Approve My Score. I'm still there. Right now, for the time being, I'm still there full time doing that work for you guys. But moving forward, as new clients come in, you know, we're going to work with a proposal if you're able to afford the proposal that we present based on your situation. So everybody's situation is going to be different. Do you have student loans? Are they in default? Are they in collections? All of these things take a place of what we'll have to do with you. We're not going to be just focusing on trying to work on your credit. We want to address the big issues first, so we can get that stuff out of the way. Then the credit comes later. We'll be able to better manipulate through the program. Okay. So with that being said, just wanted to come bring this video out. I'm about to go next door, work out in the gym. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm going to put my email right above, Fred at fredlevi.com. So Fred at fredlevi.com, you see it right there. And if you want to schedule an appointment, I'll have it in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to send a DM, comment below. If you want to email, send me an email at fred@fredlevi.com. So with that being said, thanks again. Going to go hit this workout. See you guys soon.